So hello everyone. So there is one more very important job update coming from this is AP Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission Vijayawada. So they have released one direct recruitment for the post of Assistant Environmental Engineer in AP Pollution Control Board. And this recruitment, they will conduct one exam. They had mentioned very clearly the written examination will be held in the month of April-May 2024. So you have very good 4 months to prepare, and in this 4 months you can prepare for this exam very well. Again, this is very important opening for the civil engineering background student. So what is the total number of vacancies? Total number of vacancies are the 21. Now going down, what other information they had mentioned? They had mentioned the essential qualification also. They had mentioned here you must have a bachelor degree in the civil, mechanical, chemical, environmental engineering from a recognized university. So if you are from the civil, you are from the chemical, you are from the mechanical, you are from the environmental engineering, then you can apply for this position of Assistant Environmental Engineer in Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board. So they had mentioned very clear, based on the merit in mains examination, the candidate will be shortlisted for the computer proficiency test. It means they are going to conduct also the computer proficiency test at the last stage after the mains exam. So what will be the syllabus of exam, that I will be discussing ahead. Now regarding the exam and all, they had mentioned the age relaxation, and the age limit for this is minimum 18 year and maximum 42 year as on 01/07/2023. So if you are working in some industry or you are already into job, then even though you are eligible, because they have kept a very wide age range, that is 42 year, up to 42 year people are eligible to apply for this position, and the age relaxation is shown here as per the government relaxation rule. So how to apply? You need to visit the website of AP, then there you will find the relevant link in the career section, then you need to proceed with the application process. Now guys, regarding further, they had mentioned about the scheme of exam. See, the scheme and syllabus for the written examination test including the computer proficiency test is given down there in the center. So now what will be the exam and what will be the structure, it's clearly mentioned here. What is the procedure of selection? Appearance in all the paper of the examination is compulsory. Absence in any one of the paper will automatically render the disqualification of the candidate. The selection to this recruitment shall be based on the merit in the written exam to be held as per the scheme and syllabus shown later down in the section. So they are going to take the written exam into consideration for the final selection. Now what kind of syllabus the people are going to execute in the exam, that is mentioned here in the annexure. You can see these are the total number of vacancies and their breakdown according to category wise. Again, this position is for the Assistant Environmental Engineer in the Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board. Now the exam structure is somewhat like this. Written examination, it will be objective type, right? So first paper will be general studies and mental ability. The number of question, duration and marks mentioned there. Paper 2 will be civil or mechanical or chemical or environmental engineering, depend upon what is your background. Clearly the marks, minute and question distribution mentioned. Again, paper 3 is environmental science and technology. It will be common for all the branches, whether you are coming from the mechanical, civil, chemical or environmental. So this will be common for all the branches. Again, number of question, minutes and marks are distributed. So total there are 450 marks for this exam. So guys, this is the syllabus they had mentioned for the general studies and mental ability. Similarly for civil engineering, it's almost the entirely GATE syllabus. And similarly for the mechanical engineering, again it's entirely the GATE syllabus. Similarly for the chemical engineering and similarly for the environmental engineering. So this is the paper environmental science and technology, which is going to be common for all the branches. So they are going to ask environmental pollution and control, they are going to ask natural resources, they are going to ask ecosystem and biodiversity. These are very common topics. They are going to ask water supply, they are going to ask the environmental policy legislation and EIA. Now they have told also that after the exam they will be conducting one computer proficiency test. What will be that test? It's mentioned here, proficiency in office automation with uses of computers and associated software. Duration will be 60 minutes, maximum marks 100, and it's the minimum qualifying marks they have mentioned. The syllabus for the computer proficiency test is window operating system, you must be knowing. you must be knowing computer software type, you must be knowing internet concept, you must be knowing the electronics email, you must be knowing about the World Wide Web, you must be knowing how to use the Office suite, you must be knowing how to make tools in the Office application, and you must also be knowing the word processing. See, in today's time, in any of the organization, if you don't have the computer skill, then you are on the radar, okay, because automation is very soon going to hit the all kind of the industry. That's why this Andhra Pradesh, they are going to basically conduct one computer proficiency test to judge your skills in the computer and technology. So this is the computer proficiency test as discussed earlier. So this entire process they are going to execute. Assessment pattern is mentioned here for the part A. For the part B, they have mentioned the proper percentage of the total marks clearly visible here, right? So similarly, so these are the basically kind of information or instruction they have shared related to this recruitment. Again repeating, this was basically the recruitment for Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, Vijayawada. Chemical student, mechanical student, civil student, environmental student, they all are eligible. Don't miss the deadline. Deadline is clearly mentioned there. You can see the application can be submitted from 30th of January to the 19th of the February till 11:59 midnight. This is the deadline, guys. And exam they are going to conduct, that I have told, in the month of the April and May. What are the scheme of the exam? There are the multiple paper. After the multiple paper, they are going to conduct a computer proficiency test. So I hope this information is useful for you people. If you want to apply, visit the official website of this. It's mentioned here, http://psc.ap.gov.in. There you will find under the career or latest position this advertisement notice, and you can click there and apply and fill your application process, right? We wish you all the best from the Your Pedia Education. Thank you.